So on this adventure, I decided to stay at the airport hotel, the Hyatt, because I'm taking the Brightline train to Miami and back. We're gonna be doing this through the first class ticket just to see what it's all about. It's a brand new train. I've never been on it before. People have been saying great things. I have been waiting to get on a train and get out of Orlando just for a couple days. So you gonna come with me? Come on, let's go. Okay, so for the first time, I'm gonna be staying in the Hyatt here that's in the airport. I've always wanted to do this, and let's see what it's all about. So you can't go out on the balcony to watch the airport. I wonder when they stop doing that. That kind of stinks. I wanted to sit out here and just like people watch, but apparently you can't do that anymore. That's sad. Oh well. But here's the rest of the room. Couch, one bed, giant TV, desk, coffee. Oh, what is that down there? That has got to be the refrigerator that's empty. 2 complimentary water and a regular standard bathroom. Excuse me, where's the elevators?
And that way or
This way? Okay. Thank you. Pool out here. So they got kind of like a mid-rooftop pool and jacuzzi for people to hang out in. Airport terminal. They got a fitness center. Let's go to the terminal. See, what is this? People are sitting. This is pretty. So here's a fun fact. These gates used to not be here, neither were these planters. This was wide open and people were allowed to walk close to it. I think because of the little guys, the little Billies and Sallies were running into it, they put the gates up. So I did not know there was a SeaWorld store. This is the first time I've seen the SeaWorld store. Because I think this is Terminal A. Yeah, this is Terminal A of SeaWorld. There's the Disney store. I've never been down this hallway before. Prada. How much are the Prada glasses?
They're from 3 to 500.
3 to 500. I'll put it right back. 3 to 500. I like that. But for now, I'm stuck with 9line apparel because they're stuck with me. If you want to get a 9line hat, check out the 9line store in the description and use my code DRUNK3PO20. It'll save you on everything. This is actually a great idea. It goes under the seat in front of you. I guess if you just want a break of the noise, this is a nice place to come. Like they even have seats for you to just to kind of sit and take it in. It's the world famous food court. It's kind of neat. Get little mini arcades. Atari. That's Tetris. That guy's had a rough day. Yeah.
I thought it was real.
That was a real guy in there? I feel like that sometimes though. Yeah. The world famous. He didn't move. This is lobby bar. Now, how did they get up there? Workstation.